Online team, can you hear me? Can I get a response, please? Meanwhile, let me prepare running notes. Would you have a couple of minutes actually? 5:30. Running notes. Still, we are running with the introduction. Yeah, hopefully today we are going to close and we'll enter into the next topic. We'll see accordingly. Yeah, we need to plan many things for practice. These are all good. All right. So from yesterday discussion, I hope you understand. Let us start. Yesterday, I have given a kind of some overview. What is a machine learning? Why machine learning? It's a very simple boss. So the total purpose of, let me tell you, the total purpose of data science will be a kind of what exactly? Prediction. See, this is the one step actually. Don't think like only prediction. Don't think like only prediction. Many things it will do. Like, best example, second point will be object detection. What is that one? Object detection means when I'm looking at the table, I'm recognizing, I'm detecting that is a table. Am I right or not? Same thing like that. We are going to create a model. That model will recognize that is a table actually. Best example, whenever you're uploading your photo in your face, automatically the tag will come. So and so person name, something like that actually. Am I right or not, sir? Good. Object detection, so object recognition. These are all many things, but ensure that this is on a high priority. First understand this one actually. Are you clear, everyone? Good. Now, I hope you already know. So by using Python, what we can do? We can create a program. And by using pandas, what we can do, sir? We can create a data frame. And by using data science, we can do what exactly? Prediction as of now. And mainly the prediction will be done by machine learning. Prediction will be done by what exactly? When I say data science, it is a group of topics. It is what exactly? Group of topics actually. Good. Its definition yesterday we have seen. Yeah, this is the first definition. It is a technique which enables computers to learn automatically from what exactly? Past data. Generally, ML algorithm will learn automatically from the data actually. Come on, till very covered. I just need to give a small revision. Here onwards, I need to continue, right? But let me give a small revision. Currently, we have given a pause to the topic, which is the difference between AI, ML, and DL. What is the topic name, sir? ML and DL. Simple in a simple way. Whenever you are saying about machine learning is a one subject in AI. Whenever you are speaking about the deep learning is a one subject in AI. Simple. Let me tell you one thing. If somebody is asking, do you know AI? If you know machine learning, you tell, I know AI actually. It is not a separate topic. It is not what exactly, sir? Separate topic. Are you guys getting? Good. Let me tell you. Once we done this course, what are all things you can apply jobs? These are all jobs you can apply, sir. Data engineer you can apply. Data analyst you can apply. So ensure that you should know. Machine learning engineer you can apply. Tell me, sir. Machine learning, what exactly? Engineer you can apply. Next one, Python developer you can apply. Or else Python programmer you can apply. Okay. Machine learning engineer you can apply. Deep learning engineering you can apply. NLP engineer you can apply. Next one, data scientist you can apply. AI engineer. Now let me tell you what are all you can apply, what are all you don't apply this. What is that one? Python program. Why? Because a web application developer, if you entered into the Python programmer, like you only Python code, sir, there is no model creation, there is no data analysis. These are all things actually. You can go for this. If anyone is interested, you can go for this one, but still I cannot recommend actually. This one also okay. ML engineer, sir, high priority. What is that one? High priority. The point is, if you learn only machine learning, with machine learning, there is a separate role is created in a companies, in a industry actually. That role is called as a ML engineer. That role is called as what exactly? ML engineer. ML engineer means machine learning engineer. The main motto is like by using pandas, how we can do the data analysis. By using machine learning, we can create a models. We can create what exactly? By using that model, we can do the prediction. We can do what exactly, sir? Prediction. Simple, right? I will tell you. Here onwards, these are all very, very important. Anything you can apply. Sir, AI engineer, very interesting. Good question. Not end to end. I can cover that one also. Data engineer requires SQL, is that true actually? Not end to end, boss. Arati, it is not a mandate actually. Just we should have what is what exactly. Good. Yesterday I already covered. By using machine learning, we can create a models, and Amazon is one of the example. Netflix is one of the example. It's a very simple, sir. Okay. The Let me read one more time. Come on, read along with me. Machine learning is a part of AI. ML is a technique of understanding about what exactly? Data. Next one is learn from data, and what it is learned, it will apply for the next step actually. For what exactly? Next step. Best example, we are all humans. We learn from our experience, and daily we are learning. We are learning from our experience. We are learning from what exactly? Best example, sir. There was a one guy. He gave a nice example. Machine learning, how it follows the process, exactly. It will learn from the data. Best example. Take a small pet animal. Early morning 9. Early morning, what exactly? 9 a.m. Just try to give the biscuit actually. Second day also give. Third day also give. What exactly happened? Any idea? Fourth day, even if you forget the time, it will come and it will stand actually. Exactly. Like from the experience, the dog learn very clearly. Okay, so and so time, this guy is going to feeding with me, I need to ready. Same thing like that. Machine learning algorithm learn from data. Learn from what exactly? Data. It will understand what you are giving actually. Okay. Simple. Deep learning is an advanced topic to machine learning. When I say machine learning, it works with the structured data. It still works with unstructured data, but not that much accurately. But deep learning is a very interesting. It is advanced, sir. It is what exactly? Advanced. Deep learning is a still it is in R&D mode. What mode actually? R&D mode, right? One of the best example is the automatic car driving system. What is that example, sir? Automatic car driving system. If it is really implemented, by this time automatic car available in Amirpet in front of Naresh Shetty actually. Did you understand? Though it is not available, we have to think. Still the R&D is moving on. When I say automatic car driving system, best example, what deep learning is, they are planning to replace driver with the software. They're planning to replace driver with what exactly? Means that software is nothing but a deep learning algorithm. That deep learning algorithm takes care everything about that one. Whenever it is going to the road actually, how many objects are available, how many moving objects are available, how many stable objects are available, everything it's supposed to notice. And what is the speed actually, and if no people, you can go speed. If people are available, you can go slowly, something like that. Guys, are you getting? Good. Now the next one is the AI. AI is ability of computer program to function like a human brain. Exactly. Let me tell you, our brain is kind of some AI algorithms. Our brain is full of AI algorithms actually. Machine learning and deep learning are the subsets of AI. Both are what exactly? Subsets. Both are topics belongs to AI. The motto of AI is to replicate human brain. Sir, simple, sir. Whenever you are speaking about the artificial intelligence algorithm, exactly like a robo movie. What movie? Have you seen Robo 1 and Robo 2? Exactly. Robo 1 and Robo 2 actually. It sends whenever you are crying, it will tell, hey, why you are crying? Do let me know. You can share your feelings. Something like that actually. Robo 2 movies, that one only. Am I right or not, sir? More on feelings. Am I right? Good. Who is the heroine? Heroine, sir. Robo 2 movie. You will remember this one, but not subject actually. Okay, good. Currently, AI is not yet fully implemented, but we are very close to establish that too actually. Let me tell you, One of the best example for AI is, you know about the Sophia? Any idea? Let me search Google. All right, let's move on. Just try to take this one. Sophia, one of the AI models, sir. Currently, it was implemented. Generally, one of the example for AI robo, you know, just try to see. I need YouTube video. You can just try to search this one. It talks. Ad is coming, sir. Hold on. No sound, man. Hold on. Come on, come on. Yeah, good. So, best example, this is one of the AI models, sir. This AI model is something like a robo actually. That robo name is called as a Sophia. What is that robo name? Sophia actually. And it talks like a human. Whenever you are saying hi, it will reply like a hi actually. Whenever you are saying something, it will respond for everything actually, right? And you can do a kind of some interview. Yeah, this guy is talking actually. So don't think like this is a mad guy actually. So right, please observe here. This guy is talking. Means talking with the computer. That computer internally, let me tell you, if I say robo, simple sir, group of algorithms. What exactly? For talking, one algorithm. For moving this hand, one algorithm. For detecting the objects, whenever that robo can recognize this person, hey, you are a human being, your age, this person age, it will recognize either male or female, everything will recognize. Keep in mind that when I say AI, it is a group of algorithms. It is a group of what exactly? Algorithms actually. Did you understand? This you can watch in your free time. We don't have a time actually. Good. All right, let's move on. Fine then. So currently AI is not yet fully implemented, but we are very close to establish that too actually. Whenever if you wanted to say about the AI, it takes minimum 3 to 4 years, sir. Minimum how many years actually? 3 to 4 years. But if you learn data science, machine learning, deep learning, you're almost belongs to the AI. You're almost belongs to what exactly? AI actually. Good. Now get ready. Read everyone. What is the point actually? Is computer identifying pictures and image like a cat and dog actually? This is seriously interesting. Let me just try to take a small one discussion. Good. Let us take my father. My father name is a Jeshwant actually. My father name is what exactly? Jeshwant. Now Daniel, in the year of 4 years of old, how many years of old actually? 4 years of old. So then you know what, my father decided one thing. What he decided, let me train my son to recognize what exactly, no, to recognize cat on dog actually. Am I right or not, sir? This kind of game is happened for everyone actually. Am I right? Best example, my father decided like, let me train to my son to recognize cat on dog, to recognize what exactly? Cat on dog actually. Good. Now what my father done, my father exactly, he have taken what exactly, you have taken 100 images, sir. How many images actually? 100 images. All these images are belongs to cat and dogs. Cat images and what exactly? Dog images. Then training started, sir. What started actually? Before training, I'm having zero knowledge. I'm having what exactly? Zero knowledge. Image number one. So my father is telling, dear son, it is a cat actually. Then whenever my father is saying this is a cat, I'm observing each and everything. How many legs are available? How is the tail shape actually? How is the face shape? What is the body structure? These are all things I'm observing. Can I say? And the second one will be I too. This one also my father is telling cat. Previous one is white color cat actually. Now what color cat? Black color cat. I mean to say that color also different actually. Like this, all images done, man. All images, what exactly? Done actually. I 100 image. Can I say, this is the dog my father is telling. Now, Daniel, in his brain actually, two algorithms are available, man. How many algorithms are available? Two algorithms. Those algorithms motto will be cat algorithm, and next one is what algorithm? Yeah, dog algorithm. Instead of algorithm, you can say still now here pattern. What is that one, sir? Pattern. I can recognize the cat and I can recognize what exactly? Dog actually. Did you understand? Right. Being a human, for a being a human, how training is required? Same thing like that. Let us take a one ML algorithm. Let us take what exactly? One ML algorithm. Now this ML algorithm, we are giving input. We are giving input as a image actually. That to the that image will be cat image. What image? Then if this ML algorithm is recognizing this is the cat, really amazing task. Real amazing task actually. Now let me tell you one important point. What is that important point? Yeah. Can somebody tell me? Let us take a human. What is the easy task? What is a difficult task actually? What happened, sir? 1 minute. My keyboard, what happened? Good. What is the easy task? Recognize, recognize, recognize cat on the dog. Am I right? Best example, sir. Suddenly, some cat came actually. Any surprise? No. Why? Because we already know our brain is trained actually. But suddenly, one line went actually. Then, definitely not surprise. You will fall down on the ground actually. Am I right or not, sir? Good. Now, what is the difficult task? Let me tell you. Can I say this is the difficult task? For a human being, this is the easiest task. This is what exactly? Right. Now let us take a computer. Let us take what exactly? Computer. What is the easy task and what is the difficult task actually? Yeah, reverse way. Exactly. What is that one? Yeah, easy task is this one. Easy task is this one. Now this is the difficult task actually. Am I right or not, sir? Am I right or not? See, to to make it this one is easy, machine learning came actually. What came, sir? Machine learning came. Did you understand? Conclusion of the story. Inside computer, if you're copying, if you copy paste one ML algorithm, now your computer think like a human actually. Your computer can recognize cat and dog actually. Sir, did you understand? I hope you're getting very clearly. Right. Now let us just try to take a small discussion. Easy task and difficult task. Please recognize this. Online team, I trust you guys are able to hear my voice clearly. Good. The point is computer identifying pictures on an image like a cat and dog? Yes, sir, absolutely. Yeah, yes, it is really amazing task. In olden days, it is too difficult actually, but it is very easy nowadays. It is very easy nowadays actually. If you are giving lot of images to the computer, then can try to learn about the attributes of recognizing image actually. Generally, being a human, how we got well trained from our father, our mother, whenever she is feeding, she can tell this is the cat and this is the dog actually. Automatically, that is called as a training. That is called as what exactly? Same thing like that. You train one ML algorithm. That algorithm you can copy paste inside your computer. That computer behaves like it can recognize this is the chair, this is the table, these are all fans actually. Something like this. Are you getting? Good. Right. This is called as a machine learning. It is something like a teaching to computer how to think like a human. Exactly. A computer thinks like a human actually. Good. Now observe here. Is human identifying picture on the image like a cat or dog? Sir, of course, this is surprising task actually, but this is what exactly? Very easy task, no surprise, right? Absolutely yes, actually. During my childhood, parents or teachers taught like how to recognize what exactly cat, dog, tiger. So in real life, why the training required? Best example, basically I'm from Kaiklur. My father started training like a cat on dog training. What training actually? My father almost 1 week he spent like a first day he explained, second day also he explained, third day also he explained, he started testing also. I'm able to recognize why training is required. Why training is required? My father is thinking my child is going to travel over this world actually. In other country also some cat and dogs are available. My son supposed to recognize. Am I right or not, sir? Yeah, same thing like that. During my childhood, parents, teachers explain me how to recognize cat and dog actually. So in real life, what is that one? in real life, right? If you see cat, dog, tiger, lion, sir, sorry, lion I didn't see live actual. I hope you know if you see what happened actual. Okay, good. Then we can easy to recognize without much effort actual. Good, I hope you understand. So a human can take the decision based on what exactly? Experience, please. A kind of small theory, understand. Next one, interesting. Human take the decision based on what exactly? Experience. Computer can create a models by using data. Simple. For a human, you know, we are taking decision based on what exactly? Experience. A computer also taking the decision from the model. Model, how the model know the information actually? Because of what exactly? Data. Come on, this is a bit important actually. Are you with me? Good. See, I make a model based on the data. Based on what exactly? Data actually, right? Sir, if I say model, monthly sales one model, yearly sales one model, half yearly sales one model, Hyderabad sales one model, different models actually. Best example, in my childhood, during the rain actually, my brother knows how to create a boats actually. What is that one, sir? Boat. I used to give you one paper, I used to ask create a one boat actually. Then he will ask, tell me which model, tell me what exactly. You know, తెలుగులో కత్తి పడవలో మౌలు పడవలు అంటాం కదా, ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ సంథింగ్ లైక్ దట్. దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ఎస్ ఎ మోడల్, సార్. వాట్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ? మోడల్ యాక్చువల్లీ. గుడ్. Yeah, computer is telling I make a model based on what exactly? Data. Model means ML algorithm. Model means what exactly? ML algorithm. Good. How a machine can take the decision? Come on, I'm repeating again. How a human can take the decision? Tell me. By using experience. One more time. How a human can take the decision? By using what exactly? Same thing like that. Now let us try to understand how a machine can take the decision. Then definitely there is a processor. There is what exactly? Process. Skip the theory. I will come here. So the process is something like this. We are all humans are following one formula, one framework. That framework will be first one, remember. First one, what exactly? Next one, formulate. Next one, predict. Best example. Once my father started training, then so my father said this is the cat and this is the dog actually. Automatically we used to remember. Automatically we used to what exactly? Sir, you don't know. Your brain is more powerful. Best example, if my father have given 1 lakh images, keep it with you. Wherever some cat came, you have to check and you have to confirm this is the cat or not. Too difficult actually. I don't know where I need to keep inside my bag that 1 lakh images. But you know what? Our brain, crores of images scanned actually. What happens, sir? Crores of images. That two different dimension. Best example, take this chair. Take this what exactly? Chair. Lot of dimension. Around 1 lakh dimensions you can see. Still you can recognize this is the chair actually. Means your brain trained in such a way that. Are you with me? Good. Are you getting sleeping? No, right? Good. There is a one framework, sir. Let me explain slowly. What is the first one? Tell me. Remember. Next one. Formulate. Next one. Predict actually. Predict. A kind of some technical words. Don't worry. Hold on. Hold on. Ignore the theory. Ignore the theory. Ignore the theory. Please observe here, sir. You know, being a human, take the decision like this. First one. A person. He trained most of the days in the last week. And he is thinking like, you know, Arey man, almost last week is the rain actual. Almost like last week is what exactly? Rain. Now I think it rains most of the time. Then he created a kind of formula, no doubt at all. The season came actually, kind of some rainy season. Maybe most of the time we don't know the rain will come. Then the prediction is what exactly, sir? Bringing the umbrella. Right, good. It will be probably rain today. Then he's get ready. Now the first one is called as a remember. Next one is a formulate. Next one, predict. Same thing like that. Machine learning algorithm, whenever you are giving the data, it will remember the data. And backend, it will create some formulas. That formulas it will apply over the new data. That formulas it will apply over what exactly, sir? New data. Are you with me? Good. This is the kind of theory. These are all not interview discussion actually, but that is important. Difference between AI, ML, and DL is important actually. Generally speaking, we remember past situations that we are similar. So we formulate a general rule. I mean to say that we can create some rules actually. We use these kind of rules to predict what it will happen for the next year, next actually, right? Can you please walk through this theory, sir? For suppose to answer for a question, will it be rain today or not actually, then definitely it is a process. It is what exactly? Process. Good. Now how to think a machine like a, how do machines think actually? Can somebody read everyone, what is that one? How a machine can think like a human actually? Good, it's a very simple, sir. Same machine learning also definitely required. What is the first one, sir? Remember. Tell me first one, sir. Best example. Let me take, let's take a Daniel. So successfully I'm able to recognize, I'm able to what exactly? Recognize cat actual. I'm able to recognize what exactly? Cat. To recognize this one is a cat, definitely in my brain, you know what? Lot of training happened, man. Lot of training actually. This training can be, I can say, on an average minimum minimum I can say 1 crore images, 1 crore situations actually. Every time here and there you are looking at the cat actually, 5 minutes you are constantly observing there is a cat actually. Automatically our brain is receiving, so how many legs are available, how it is walking, when it is sleeping, how it is eating, these are all discussion actual, right? Same thing like that. If you wanted to train the ML algorithm, sir, what is required? Use data, man. Choose data required actually. A machine learning algorithm, if you wanted to create a algorithm which is recognizing kind of some cat actually, one image is not enough. Best example, if my father trained with me only one image, gone case actually, I cannot recognize. But my father trained me with a lot of images. Guys, are you getting? Good. Go through the rules and formulas and check which one is the fit for the data actually. Use the rule to make predictions about what exactly? Features. Simple. Machine learning will do the prediction. To do the prediction, what it is doing, sir? Remembering the data. What it is doing? Remembering the data. And at the same time, whenever it is walking through the data, it is creating kind of some formulas actually. And finally, that formulas it is applying over the new data. Okay. Now, real-time examples. This is a bit important. Please focus. Yeah. One of the best example for the machine learning is, first one is a Gmail application. First one is what application? Next one is a banking loan application and credit card application actually. Good. Now let me tell you. Machine learning real-time example. ML real-time examples. One of the best example is a Gmail. One of the best example is what exactly, sir? Gmail. Let me tell you. What exactly happened, Hold on. Sir, first time Gmail is created, assuming that first today Gmail created actually. Gmail, what exactly happened? Gmail created. You know what? Only one box is available. That box is called as the inbox. That box is called as what exactly? Inbox. And kind of some composed mail. That's it actually. There is no spam. What exactly? Spam actually. What do you mean by spam? Any idea? A kind of some unwanted mails actually. Kind of what exactly? Unwanted mail. Hold on. What exactly happened, just assuming that January 1995, Gmail was created. And January 1st, 1995, Gmail was created and the Gmail was launched actually. Once it is launched, people started communicating each other almost every day here and there. Now 5 years gone, sir. How many years gone actually? 5 years done. Once 5 years done, can somebody tell what happened? Exactly, sir. Somebody said actually. Data generated. What happened? Data generated actually. Okay, very good. Initially, can I say 0 GB data? How much data? No data actually. Am I right or not, sir? But after 5 years, I would like to say, let me talk about 100 GB data. How much data? Now, Gmail company, Google company started using this 100 GB data. How it is using, now internal they created a one more like a inbox actually. They created one more thing that is nothing but a spam. That is nothing but what exactly? Spam. What do you mean by spam? Generally assuming that, let us take a Daniel, let us take a Srinath actually. Let us take what exactly? Srinath. If I sent a mail to Srinath, who is the sender, sir? Who is the receiver? Good. In between, one ML algorithm is available. What is available? Whenever you are sending any mail to any one of your person actually, any one of your friend, what exactly happened in the back end? This mail you thought like you are shooting to Srinath directly actually. No, 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 no. Whenever you are submitting, this mail will goes to ML algorithm. ML algorithm will read your mail actually. What it will read, any unwanted data is available, any what exactly commercial information it is available, any e-commerce data it is available, if Srinath like this kind of mail or not actually. If the mail what I'm sending, it is kind of some different words actually, automatically your mail will go to spam folder. What folder? If your mail looks like it's a valid, then it will goes to what box actually, sir? Inbox. What box actually? Inbox. Did you understand? Means whenever you are sending any mail, backend ML algorithm is recognizing. Which one is recognizing? Sir, best example. If ML algorithm is not available, assuming that there is a separate job is created to recognize which one is a spam, which one is a not a spam actually. Lot of jobs actually. Am I right or not, sir? Everyone supposed to read the mail. He need to decide right mail or wrong mail actually. Something like that. Are you with me? Good. Gmail is very well known example. Till now, you may not aware Gmail is the machine learning application, but let me tell you, Gmail backend is the machine learning. What exactly, sir? Machine learning. Good. So Gmail is a very well known example. Hope you're all well known about the spam folder. It is a common term. It is what exactly, sir? It is a very common word used for junk or unwanted mails actually, such as a chain letters, promotions, and so on. Am I right or not, sir? Best example. Spam. Opposite word is a ham actual. Opposite word is what exactly? Ham. It is called as a useful mail. It is a common term used for what exactly? Non-spam mail means useful mail actually. In this scenario, machine learning algorithm working like a filtering spam or ham actually. Best example. Understand the previous mails. Understand what exactly? Previous mails actually. Best example. You know what? Whenever you are getting any kind of mail, something like a uh, for us, right? Am I right? That is a right word. But sometimes FIVO 4 number and US you can see something like this. Am I right? I hope you know this one. It will, your Gmail will recognize automatically this is not a relevant word. It is not what exactly, sir? Relevant word actually. If you want, let me open my mail. All right. Now let me take. Anyone having experience to apply banking loan, sir? Anyway, if anyone don't know, let me explain the process. Okay, best example, I'm sure you will get a job. On an average per month, 1 lakh you are going to withdraw. How much actually, sir? Per month actually. Per month. Good. Whenever you are withdrawing, almost 6 months happen. How much months happen actually? 6 months happen. Then get ready. Started getting calls. Getting what exactly? Calls from where? Any idea? Huh? Yeah, sir, banking department actually. A kind of some bankings will get a calls actually. Am I right? Then what they will tell is, uh, hold on. Assuming that there is a bank customer person he called actually, and he is telling like, sir, you are eligible for the banking loan application. You are eligible for loan actually. You are eligible for what exactly? Loan. Anyway, immediately we are in requirement. We have a requirement. Then you can say, yeah, I will say, I will give my account number, transfer the amount actually. Do you think like that? No, there is a process. There is what exactly? Whenever you are say, I am ready, then this banking customer people will ask, share last 3 months pay slips. What exactly? Last 3 months pay slips. Next one, last 6 months bank statement. Statement, sir. Statement. Last 6 months bank statement actually. And next one is Aadhaar card. Next one is PAN card actually. Any other one? Ration card required actually? Not required, sir. Ration card is not required, and that's it. Now you know what happened? Come again. Photo. Yeah, yes, sir. Photo actually. Nice photo is required actually. Nice photo. Nice photo. Good. Now let me tell you. Once you have given all these details, what they will do, this is the input, sir. What we have given input actually, these guys will give input to one application. What is that one? Now that application will decide, can we give loan to this customer or not? That application is called as a ML application. That application is called as what exactly? Means machine learning application is predicting, hey, you can give loan for this customer. You can give loan for this customer, or else you should not give loan for this customer actually. Did you understand? Right. Even bank people don't know that application is called as a, that's what. Once you have given all these details, they will tell you have to wait for 24 hours actually. How long time? Means they will apply, they will give this input actually, and they will wait for 24 hours, and application will tell, hey, this customer credits is really good. And one more thing, they will, once you have given PAN card actually, what they will do, you know what they will do? CIBIL score they will check, sir. What is that one? CIBIL score also they will check. Conclusion of the story: giving a loan or not, deciding by ML application. Deciding by what exactly? ML application actually. Credit card, these are all things. Now what you need to understand, sir, everywhere data science. Everywhere. Banking sector, insurance, finance, everywhere actually. E-commerce. Kindly please walk through. These are all what I have explained actually. Where machine learning literally helps you. It's a very simple. From last to 2 decades, most of the companies are what exactly? Digitalizer. I mean, last to 20 years, more data generated. What generated, sir? Where there is a more data, definitely a human may not work individually. Then definitely algorithms required. What is required? Algorithms required. So here data is generated more and more. So in this case, machine learning help us to understand, to predict models and automate several things actually. Assuming that, come on, please look at this one. Assuming that we had a past couple of years of Amazon transaction data, some questions. We have it last 2 years of data. There are two questions. First question will be, I just wanted to know how the business was in last past couple of years actually. Then this is nothing but EDA. What is that one, sir? EDA. Next one. I just wanted to take the best decision to improve the business. No doubt at all, this is the ML. This is what exactly? Machine learning will suggest you what is the next best step. Predictive modeling. What is that one? Predictive. Very covered. Any idea at this point? Predictive modeling. Very covered. Ah, very nice, sir. Very good. What is your name? Your name? Mallikarjun. That's what. Nice preparation. You know, go back. Fundamentals. Open the material. Unknowingly, I given a nice definition during the first demo. This is called as a, predictive analytics. What is that one? Predictive. Prediction means machine learning. Prediction means what exactly? Machine learning. Descriptive, diagnostic, these are all EDA. These are all what exactly? EDA. Come on. If you walk through the material, you can understand. To answer above questions, definitely what is required, sir? Data is required actually. In another 5 minutes, we are entering into interesting chapter. Very, very important. Okay, please. To answer above questions, definitely the first step is a gather the data. Data is required actually. What is required? Data is required. Next one, process the data. Next one, take the decision. Sir, without data, there is no data science. Seems to be 4 letters actually, but it is shaking the world. Okay, yeah, good. First one, read your one, gather the data, data collection. Next one is process the data. Next one, take the decision. Good. These are all ML applications. Text processing. What is that one? Text processing. Best example, you are giving some text data. Inside the text data, hold on. Hello, good morning. What exactly, sir? Hello, good morning. This is a valid text actually. Am I right? But assuming that hello, and you are giving some, words actually. Next one is good. What is that one? Good, good morning. Good, what exactly? Morning actually. Then can I say, frankly speaking, this is the raw text actually. This is what exactly, sir? Raw text. From this raw text, what is output is required? Talk with me. Hello, good morning is required. Then definitely text processing is required. What is required? Text processing will be done by NLP. Just a matter of one method you need to call. Automatically all special characters it will be deleted. Where is a meaningful word, automatically it will get it out actually. Which one is the one, which one is the zero? Any idea? Left hand side is a zeros, right hand side is what exactly? Was actually. Yeah, it will recognize. Algorithm can recognize. Okay, this is called as a text processing. Speech recognition. Everyone knows Siri, right? Do you think Siri means madam name actually? App names are right. Whenever they are saying, hey Siri, you can switch on the lights, means it will switch on. Not only that one, there are many, Amazon products also would have actually. Traffic prediction. Can somebody tell me what is this one? Traffic prediction. Anyone having any idea? Did you book a cab in your lifetime, sir? One time actually. I hope you booked it, right? Whenever you are booking a cab, it takes some time to book the destination. Am I right? Why it will take some time? Best example. This is the Amirpet. To reach the housing board in my community, on an average, there are 4 ways. How many ways actually? First way, it will cross verify. And if any other traffic, it will ignore that one actually. Second one, it will identify. Third one, it will identify. Fourth one, it will identify. That to which one is the shortest path actually? Man, backend is the algorithm. Backend is what exactly? Algorithm. That is called as a traffic prediction. What is that one? It will do automatically. Like which area more traffic, it will do automatically actually. Product recommendations. What is this one, sir? Product recommendations. I hope you know self-driving cars, email spammer, malware filtering, online fraud detection, whether the forecast and prediction. These are all things actually. Read everyone. What is this one? Online fraud detection. Have you ever done online transaction on an average 1 lakh? Assuming that if you send 1 lakh money to your father, same day if you are sending again, same day if you are sending third time, you will get one pop-up actually. You will get what exactly? One pop-up. What is that pop-up? Hey, are you all right? Today 2 times you done transaction, same spam of the amount actually. Then it will ask a confirmation. Why? Because sir, whenever you're doing any transactions over the online, always hackers are available. Hackers and spammers are available. They will track your details actually. Yes, are you getting your credit card details, your debit card details, any of your details you should not save in your computer also. Keep in mind that. Okay. Weather forecasting and prediction. What is that one? Sir, since my childhood, when I used to wear small knicker, actually, there is a one channel. That channel name is a Doordarshan channel. What is that one, sir? Every day 7 p.m. news. Every day 7 p.m. is what exactly? News. They will tell end of the news tomorrow. The weather temperature will be something like that. Am I right? Now they are currently 7 p.m., but they're talking about the tomorrow. They done the prediction. They done what exactly? Prediction. Right. Good. Let me tell you. In every country, there are weather stations. There are what exactly, sir? Weather stations. That weather stations, they will collect the data from the weather. What is the weather temperature now? And last 1 month, what is the weather temperature? Last 1 week, what is the weather temperature? Once they collected with this data, they can do the prediction for tomorrow. They can do prediction for what exactly, sir? Tomorrow. Are you guys getting? Do you wanted to see weather stations? Weather stations, sir. Stations in India. You can check like this. It will always collect the data. You know, yeah. You can in your free time you can kindly please walk through. It is really nice discussion. Always it will collect the data. If you want, you can download the data also. And how the earth is rotating, what is the where the cloudy environment, where the rainy environment. These are all interesting, sir. Kindly please walk through. Earth data. I just wanted to share the data. Nice, sir. Very interesting. Everywhere there is a data, man. There is a data. Kindly please walk through. There are kind of some earth data you can walk through. And there is a one image. I like that image. Kind of some 3D images actually. This is not my picture, sir. Okay. All right. Fine then. Why machine learning required? It's a very simple. Being a human, we cannot access huge amount of the data. Then definitely what is required? Algorithms is required. Good. Machine learning algorithm travel through this data. Machine learning algorithm travel through what exactly? This data. In order to understand about the data. Best example, sir. First time I came to Hyderabad. If I didn't travel this Amiripet, I cannot understand what is Amiripet and what is the directions actually. Am I right or not? Where Amoga tea center is available, where Naresh tea is available, where Satyam theater is available. If you wanted to understand, you have to travel. Same thing like that. There is a data. If you deploy one algorithm inside with this data, this algorithm will travel with the data actually. It will started understanding about the data. It creates the model and predicts the results automatically from what exactly? New data. Good. Now, this is a bit important. Please focus on this one. Technically speaking, good machine learning means read your own with the help of one more time with the help of historical data. Machine learning algorithms create a model. Create what exactly? Model means background formulas actually. Come on, can we read one more time? With the help of historical data, ML algorithms creating a model, math model. Why creation is required? Why these models are to do what exactly? Prediction without being explicitly programmed. You don't need to write a program actually. Without being explicitly programmed means don't worry. I can cover later actually. This definition is important, man. Let us just try to read every word from here to here. Come on, read along with me. With the help of historical data, machine learning algorithms build a math model that helps in making predictions without being explicitly programmer. When I say machine learning, programmer is not required actually, right? A data analyst is more than enough. Okay, good. Now let me tell you. Oh, previously there was a one student. He asked a question. What is the question? Hey, how you? This is a valid question. Array Daniel, how you got? How you got opportunity to work as a data science? Work as what exactly? Work as a data science. This is seriously valid question. And indirectly, what he's asking, his question will be, do you learn data science? After learn data science, do you added fake experience to work as a data science? Something like that. Valid question. But now let me reveal how I got a great opportunity to work in a data science. Sir, first I started my career as a Java developer. I started my career what exactly? Java developer. After Java, Hadoop actually. After Java, what exactly? Hadoop. Hadoop means big data. I will tell you later. Especially in a Hadoop, big data, there is a one topic actually. The topic name is a machine learning. What is the topic name? Not machine learning, sir. Map reduce. What is the topic name? Map reduce. Then advanced to Hadoop is nothing but a PySpark. Advanced to Hadoop is what exactly? Repeating again. First one, Java. Next one, Hadoop. Advanced to PySpark is what exactly? I'm sorry. Advanced to Hadoop is what exactly? PySpark. Sir, in a PySpark, machine learning is available. What is available? I worked in a machine learning, then automatically I understand all other components actually. This is my path, especially. I do have a sound experience in a PySpark, like a data engineer, big data engineer. These are all roles actually. For you, I will take one session. If you want, you can just try to open PySpark and you can just try to open images. Just try to see. There are modules. Would you have PySpark modules? You can see machine exactly. Look at this diagram. Come on, come on. Yeah. Did you see here ML lib? What is that one, sir? ML lib means machine learning library. What is that one? Machine learning. I worked exactly in that environment. Then I understand the total what is going on actually. Did you understand? My path is like this. But let me tell you, nowadays to become as a data scientist, you no need to understand Java. You no need to understand Hadoop. You no need to understand PySpark. These are all things actually directly with Python machine learning. You can understand actually. Yes, are you clear? But one day I will take a session. What is a Hadoop? What is a PySpark? These are all things actually. Are you fine, everyone? Good. We done the first topic. Now the next topic is a bit important, sir. Damn sure important, man. Next topic, very very important. Please focus. Can I close this one? Now the next topic is this topic take minimum 1 hour discussion actually. Please focus. Hmm. Talk with me, sir. What is the topic name? Machine learning. One more time, machine learning. Good. Now let me tell you in a very simple way. I need your response actually. When I'm talking about the Python, can somebody talk with me? In Python, variable is one terminology. Am I right? Next one, data types, another terminology. Next one, function. Very good. You're telling what exactly? Data structure. Very nice. Data structure. Next one is, oh, okay, class. Next one is object. Next one, method. Sir, can I say these are all? See, if I say module, immediately need to remember Python. If I say data structure, immediately you can remember Python, later pandas. Later what exactly? Pandas. Good. I would like to say this is the terminology. This what exactly, sir? Terminology. Terminology actually. Good. Now I need help from you. Pandas. Tell me. Very nice. Series. Next one is a data frame. Next one is what exactly? Data frame. Next one is a shape. Next one columns. Next one rows. Next one group by. Am I right or not, sir? Group by. Next one sorting. Next one, these are all things belongs to. Very good. Now let me talk about NumPy. Only one word, sir. What is that one actually? Array. Are you calling like array, or else you are calling me like array actually? Okay, fine then. Yeah, fine, sir. Now let me help you today. Machine learning terminology. What terminology? Very, very important. Please focus. And it is a really interesting topic. I need your attention actually. Are you fine? Good. Let's move on. I will not even open the material. I will give one example. From that example, you will understand very clearly, sir. Let us just try to open terminology. What is a machine learning algorithm? What is the machine learning definition? Next one is what exactly? Model. Next one, training. How to train, model learn, pattern, before training. These are all we are going to understand. Such a nice discussion. Are you ready? Good. To understand this topic, I just need to give one, please don't forget this one. One fun example, sir. One fun example I will give actually. If you remember this example, throughout machine learning, it really helps actually. Throughout machine learning, what is going to happen actually? Are you ready? Simple. Sir, exactly the same example. But now I can elaborate the example more actually. My father name is a Jeshwant. My father name is what exactly? Jeshwant. My father's son name is a Daniel. My father's son name is what exactly? Daniel. My father decided, my father what exactly? Decided uh, uh, to train, to train Daniel, to train what exactly, sir? Daniel, to recognize, to recognize, to recognize, talk with me, cat and what exactly? Dog. Come on, I'm repeating one more time. My father name is a Jashwant, not important interview question, just for your kind information. Next one, son name is a Daniel. Now my father decided what he decided, So let me train my son to recognize cat and dog actually. Really required, sir. Am I right or not? Definitely. Instead of before education, pre-KG, LKG, small things you need to, train actually. My father and mother actually. Good. Let me tell you. Come on. What is the training? Talk with me. Recognizing cat on dog. Good. My father, what he done, My father went to shop, sir. Went to shop actually. Went to shop. And he asked, Arey man, I need 100 images. I need what exactly? 100 images actually. Out of all these 100 images, 50 images belongs to, talk with me, cat. Very good. And 50 images belongs to, very good man. Please understand. These are all I can connect later actually. These are all dots I can connect. Right, good. Then my father, my father came to home. My father came to home actually, came to home. Exactly, the Daniel, exactly in there of 4 years old, sir. How many years actually? 4 years old. Then my father called. My father called, dear son, come here. Come here actually. Then my father told only one thing. What is that one? Get ready. I'm a teacher. You are a student. I'm going to train you how to recognize cat on dog. How to recognize what exactly? Frankly speaking, what he is speaking, I didn't understand. What he is talking, I didn't understand. But I can understand his expression. He's trying to explaining something. Assuming that in my lifetime, first time I'm seeing those kind of images actually. Guys, are you clear? Now, what exactly happened? Training started, sir. What exactly happened? Training started actually. When the training started, what my father done? Talk with me. Total how many images? Sorry, how to talk? 100 images. Good. Let us just have to take a 50 images actually. Next one, what is the next one? 50 images. If the training started, before training, what exactly happened? My father shuffled the images actually. What he done, sir? Shuffle the image. Why shuffling required? Best example. If my father didn't shuffle, hold on. If my father didn't shuffle, first image he is telling cat. Second image he is telling cat. Third image he is telling cat. Then the fourth image I can close my eyes and I can sit like this actually. That is a cat actually. Am I right or not, sir? Means overconfident. What is that one? Overconfidence actually. Then my father shuffled the images. My father, what he done actually? Shuffle the images. Once my father shuffle, then the training will go really excellent actually. Guys, are you with me? Good. You know, shuffling the images. Shuffling what exactly, sir? Shuffling the images. Hold on, please. Get ready. Very, very important. Shuffling the images. Now, training started. Training what exactly, sir? Started. But let me tell you, before training, before what exactly training, now I wanted to tell one thing actually. Daniel having Daniel having zero knowledge. What knowledge actually? Zero knowledge about, very good man, about what exactly? About cat on dog. About what exactly? Cat on dog actually. Very good. Now the training is going to start. I'm telling training is going to start. Training is going to start. Before that, there are a few steps you need to follow actually. Even exactly before training, what my father done, my father, splitting the images. Splitting what exactly? Images actually. Now let me tell you. Can somebody talk with me? My father, what he done? Splitting the images. After he shuffled the data, what he done, he splitted the images, 70 images plus 30 images, sir. Talk with me. How many images he splitted actually? 70 plus 30. Now, what my father done, my father have taken training started actually. Training, he wanted to give with 70 images. Training, he wanted to give it what exactly? 70 images. What about the 30? Super, sir. You got it actually. Generally, let us take a 10th class exam. Teacher or everything they will explain actually. And they will take the questions. And that questions will be, let me train with all questions. And for testing also, they will make it separate actually. Am I right or not, sir? Good. Now, what exactly happened, my father splitting the images actually. What my father done is, for a training purpose, for what purpose actually? Training purpose, he is using 70 images. And testing purpose, how many images actually? 30 images. How many images? 30 images. Come on, get ready. Here onwards, let me recall one more time. What is the topic name? Talk with me. Machine learning terminology. Good. There was a small fun example. This example is seriously interesting. My father name is a Jeshwant. My father name is what exactly? Jeshwant. Now, my father have a son. Son name is a Daniel, and myself actually. I was having 4 years of old. My father seriously decided, though my son is growing, I need to train to my son with animal images, bird images. These are all things. Then my father went to shop actually, and to train Daniel to recognize cat and dog, he went to shop and he have taken how many images? 100 images actually. Slowly by slowly, can I connect you? Now my father is called as a data scientist. My father is called as what exactly? Data scientist actually. Son is called as a ML engineer, ML algorithm. What is that one? If you wanted to understand these are all terminology later, understand the example. If you guys are not focusing, please. If I say data scientist, you have to think my father. If I say ML algorithm, you have to think Daniel. If I say 100 images, you have to think data. You have to think what exactly? That's what. That connection, you will understand slowly by slowly later. But please focus. Don't miss the fun actually. This example you cannot get anywhere. Right? Good. Now, what is the motto, sir? Talk with me. My father decided to train me, recognize as what exactly? Cat and dog. Very good. My father went to shop, though he have taken how many images? I will tell you later. Why 100? Why? Because, splitting is easy actually. Exactly 100 images he has taken. Now, out of 100 images, he wanted to train me equally cat images and dog images actually. So he have taken 50 cat images. He have taken 50 dog images actually. Then came to home. My father called, hey dear son, come here. And dear son, come here. I will teach. My father is telling, I will teach how to recognize recognize cat and dog. Cat and what exactly? Dog. Then I wrote it in my head actually. Then my father started, but before starting, in front of me, what my father is doing, he done like this actually. What is that one, sir? You know about the cards actually? You know how to play cards? Before playing the cards, what happens, sir? Shuffling happen actually. Good. Before training, before training, Daniel having zero knowledge. Daniel having what exactly? Zero knowledge about the cat and dog. Now, what my father did is, my father splitted the all images. Splitting will be, can somebody talk with me? 70 images for what exactly? 30 images. Now, what my father is thinking, let me use 70 images for what exactly, sir? Training purpose. Talk with me. 70 images for what exactly? Training purpose. Good. 1 minute. 1 minute. That word, it should be right hand side, sir. Training purpose. What purpose, sir? Training purpose. Good. Now the 30 images belongs to what exactly? Testing purpose. Interesting. Testing purpose, man. Now training started. Training started with how many images? Nice, man. I hope you understand. 70 images actually. Very good. Now get ready. Image number one. What is that one? Image number one. Yeah. Image number one. Though here my father knows, right? My father what exactly? Knows. My father is telling, dear son, this is called as this is cat actually. This is what exactly? Cat. Then when my father is saying this is a cat, I'm keenly observing that image very focusedly. Okay, the cat looks like this, legs are like this, tail is like this, it will do sound like a, yeah, something like that actually. Yeah, these are all things. Now image number two. Image number two also, this is also cat. This is also what exactly? Cat actually. I would like to say this is white cat. This is what exactly, sir? White cat. This is what exactly? Black cat actually. Then image number three. Image number three. My father is telling this is dog. This what exactly, sir? This is dog actually. Then like this, all training is done, sir. How can somebody tell me what is the image number? Nice, man. You are in the, very good actually. Oh, this is cat. This is what exactly? Cat. Sir, training is done. Training is what exactly? Done actually. I thought after training, my father is going to arrange meals actually. What is that one, sir? Actual game started now. What my father told, dear son, training accomplished actually. What done? Training done. I thought my father will leave actually. Then he is taking few more images. What is that images? 30 images. Now he is telling very seriously. When he started testing, he taken a small stick, sir. What is that one? Stick actually. Good. Training is done. Now let me tell you. Sir, can I say after training, Daniel got what exactly? Knowledge actually. This word is important. Can somebody talk with me? Before training, Daniel having what exactly? Do you know? After training, what exactly? Same thing like that. Machine learning algorithm, we need to train with the data. Before training, ML algorithm having zero knowledge. ML algorithm don't know about anything actually. But after training, ML algorithm will gain the patterns. ML algorithm will gain what exactly? Sir, knowledge is also called as a patterns. Also called as what exactly? Patterns actually. Come on, come on. I will connect with you slowly by slowly. This example is seriously very nice. Good. Now after training, Daniel, now testing started, sir. What started actually? Testing started with how many images? Very good, man. 30 images actually. Now get ready. Can I say here what is the number I need to give? Nice, man. You got it. I-71. Now, do you think my father is showing image? I'm waiting response from him actually. Do you think my father will tell? Who's supposed to tell? Very good actually. Now I'm replying, this is the cat. This is what exactly? Sir, exactly this is the cat. Means how I'm recognizing this is the cat actually? Can I say previous training helped me very well? Exactly, man. Right. Now move to the next one. I-72. I what exactly? 72. And I'm slowly by slowly telling, father, this is the dog actually. Exactly this is the dog. This what exactly? Dog actually. Same thing like that. All high 100 images done, sir. All 100 images done. I told this is the cat actually. This one is exactly the cat actually. There are different scenarios I can tell later, but as of now, assuming that out of 30, I got a 27 marks, sir. How many marks actually? 27 marks. Means there are three images I am unable to recognize. There are three images I am unable to what exactly? Recognize actually. Did you understand? Did you understand? Good. Now what exactly happened? Suddenly my relatives came. Who came, sir? Relatives came. And suddenly my relative aunt, name is Appalamma. What is the name actually? Just assuming that any of name. And she is taking one image. And immediately I'm telling that is a cat actually. That is what exactly? The credit goes to whom? Father. Keep in mind that now here what are all things you need to understand? Here father is called as a data scientist. Father is called as what exactly? We are all data scientists. Now here son is called as a machine learning algorithm. What is that one, sir? Machine learning algorithm. We are all data scientists. We are depending upon the algorithm to give a training to do the prediction. To do what exactly, sir? Prediction actually. Good. Now my father have taken 100 images, right? This is the total data. This what exactly? Total data. Now the total data we need to split. What we need to do, sir? Split. Data equals to 70% data. Next one is what exactly? 30% data. Whenever you started giving a training to the algorithm, for machine learning, there are two phases, man. Come on, talk with me. For machine learning, there are how many pages? Two pages. One page is for training. One page is for what exactly, sir? Testing. Testing actually. Good. ML algorithm training. ML algorithm training. Talk with me. Next one is what exactly, sir? ML algorithm testing. ML algorithm what exactly? Testing. Training with 70 images. How many images, sir? 70 images. With what exactly? 30 images. Very good. Very good. Sir, can I say training started? You know what? Yeah. Before training, you know what? ML algorithm don't know anything, man. Don't know what exactly? Anything. But after training, ML algorithm, got a, ML algorithm got knowledge actually. Got what exactly, sir? Knowledge. Sir, did you understand this one? Did you understand or not? Good. Now let me open the material. I'm sure literally will enjoy, sir. I hope you know the definition for machine learning. I will not explain this one. Machine learning is a technique which enables computers to learn automatically from what exactly? Past data. Machine learning is an approach to train the model. Machine learning is approach to train what exactly? Model actually. Good. Now please observe here. In simple terms, model is representation of reality. Model is what exactly? Representation of reality. Let me tell you. If I say machine learning algorithm almost equals to the model, even if I say model, that is belongs to ML algorithm. That is belongs to what exactly, sir? Let me tell you. When my father started training, and my name is the Daniel, one cat model is created in my brain. One dog model is created in my brain. Now, if somebody saying like a cat, automatically cat model is responding. Which one is responding, sir? Cat model is responding. When I say model, representation of reality. Okay, can somebody talk with me? What is that one? Representation of reality that is existing. But what color? That is later actually. Good. A model is created to do what exactly? Specific purpose. Best example, general example, a world map is a model for a physical world or universe actually. The creator of world map have done deep analysis. They have done what exactly? Deep analysis. Understand, visualize with a simple representation. A model can be, this is the bit important, sir. Come on, please focus. In terms of the machine learning, a model means, let me tell you, machine learning algorithm you can say. You can also say program. You can also say what exactly? Program. You can also say math formula. You can also say what exactly? Math formula. You can also say program plus math formula. Program plus what exactly? Math formula. Come on, can somebody talk with me? Model means first of all not a cine model, either hero or heroine. It is not a model actually. It is a machine learning algorithm. Next one is what exactly? Program also we can say. What is that one? Program also we can say. Next one is a math formula also we can say. Next one is program plus what exactly? Now let me tell you. You might be wondering what do you mean by math formula? Sir, everywhere math. When my father started training, when he's showing cat image actually, I'm able to recognize cat is a small in terms of the height. Am I right or not, sir? Small means nothing but math I applied actually. When my size. When my father is showing dog actually, I'm able to recognize dog is the big shape actually. I'm applying the math. I'm applying what exactly? Math actually. Good. Keep in mind that. Let me drink water. Let's move on. A piece of code or program. Next one is a math formula. Also called as a program plus what exactly? Math formula. Come on, talk with me one more time. A piece of code or program and a mathematical what exactly? Formula and program plus what exactly? Math formula. Now let me tell you. Training data set, how much? 70%. You have to talk like that actually. Training data set, how much percent actually? 70. Testing data set, how much? Total data set? 100. Data scientist name? Father. And ML algorithm name? Son actually, Daniel. Did you understand? Important. That is very, very important. For every ML algorithm, training is required. Testing is required. Before training, zero knowledge. After training, gain the knowledge. Before training, zero patterns. It don't know anything. But after training, it knows many things, man. According to the purpose, actually. Now I hope you know. Train. We need to train the model. We need to train ML algorithm. Am I right or not, sir? My father decided, let me train to my son to recognize cat on dog. To recognize what exactly? Same thing like that. My father giving a training for cat on dog, donkey, buffalo. These are all things actually. Am I right or not, sir? Though my father don't have a time, they will join in our school actually. That's the matter actually. Did you understand? In school, they will explain about lot of animals, not only buffalo. These are all things. Am I right or not, sir? Good. How to train? Let me tell you how my father trained me with the images. Here, images is nothing but what exactly? Data. Keep in mind that for a definitely training, data is required, man. What is required actually? Best example. You know what? I am giving a training to you. For training, I'm using this data material. What is this one? This material is nothing but a data. When I started giving a training with this data, you can gain lot of patterns. You can gain what exactly? What is a function? What is a method? What is a class? These are all patterns actually. You are gaining the knowledge. You are gaining what exactly? Team, are you getting? Come on, sir. I need a response. Are you getting? Yeah, good. This is no interview question from this material, man. No single interview question, but this total document helps you to understand last topic actually. If I say train, you need to map. If I say testing, you need to map. If I say 70%, 30%, pattern, knowledge, these are all here I explain actually. Okay. Yeah, talk with me, sir. How to train? What is required? Data matters, man. What matters actually? Data. Best example. I'm a ML engineer, but I don't know data means you are throwing biscuit actually. You're throwing what exactly? Biscuit. Being a ML engineer, you should be master in data. You should be master in understanding about the data actually. That's what EDA comes first always. What first always actually? EDA. EDA means explanatory data analysis. Okay, good. Next one, model lens about the pattern. About what exactly? Sir, here pattern means knowledge. Pattern means what exactly? Assuming that model means Daniel. Model means what exactly? Daniel. Daniel is learning pattern from the images. Means which one is the cat, which one is the dog. Still, I would like to say pattern means lot of attributes, man. Pattern means what exactly? Like what is the color, what is the shape, what is the size, what is the sound it is doing. These are all things actually. Guys, are you with me? Good. Next one. A pattern. Pattern means simply knowledge and gained during training actually. During training, definitely we can gain knowledge actually. Are you getting or not? Good. Next one. So model learn patterns from what exactly? Data during training. Both words are same. Both. Yeah. Now you have to talk, sir. Before training the model what exactly? Does not know anything about the patterns. You don't know anything actually before training. Am I right or not, sir? Means pattern means nice. After training, talk with me. After training, model knows about what exactly? Now, though it gained the knowledge, right? Now this model supposed to use this knowledge for unknown data set. For what data set actually? Best example, my father went to shop and he bought 100 images. He started giving a training. Training closed actually. Now my brother went to another shop. My brother went to what exactly? Another shop, and he brought some dog images, 10 dog images actually. How many images? Trust me, my brother, what he bought 10 dog images, my father dog images are quite different actually. Still, I'm able to recognize my brother images are what exactly? Dog. Because my father training helped me actually. That is called as a once ML algorithm you train, it's a right time you need to predict with unknown data set. You need to predict with what exactly? Unknown data set actually. Come on, I will explain slowly by slowly. After training model knows about me, man, this document prepare nicely. Yeah, testing the model. Once after model got the train, then the model has to be what exactly, sir? Tested to check what exactly? Hold on, here I would like to cover a few more scenarios. You know, checking the accuracy. Checking accuracy. Read everyone, what is that word actually, sir? Checking the accuracy. Very good. Now go back to the old example. Go back to the old example actually. I hope you already know. My father training is done. Training is what exactly? Done with how many images? 70 training. Training how many images? 70 images actually. Now testing started. What started, sir? Testing started. With how many images? 30 images actually. Let me explain few scenarios. First of all, you should ask a question, why testing? Why testing, to check accuracy. To check what exactly, sir? Accuracy. Accuracy means how really the training went well. There are scenarios, sir. Best example, if a person is lazy like me, my father thought like he trained me very well, but is there any guarantee? I may not understand anything actually. Are you getting or not? Now here let me take few scenarios. Scenario number one, scenario number two, scenario number three. In scenario number one, my father is asking all images actually. I image number, I'm sorry, 71, and the next one is image number, these are all things. Image number 100. Image number what exactly, sir? 100. Now I got a really nice marks, 29 out of 30. Out of what exactly? Can I say, training went very well? My father can think, training really very good actually. Training went what exactly? Very well. Training went what exactly? Very well. Now take the second scenario. I-71. I would like to take the same thing. Hold on. Sorry. Hold on. Now the score will be somewhat to 20, sir. Somewhat what exactly? Training went somewhat okay. Somewhat what exactly? Okay, actually. Now go to the third scenario. And here out of 530 actually. 5 what exactly? 30. Then definitely training, went not good actually. When training is bad. Training is what exactly? Bad actually. Bad. In third scenario, what happened? First of all, I will get a beatings actually. Am I right or not, sir? Why? Because he spent really nice time. Then my father, I thought like after beatings he will leave actually. Will he leave? Again, game started, sir. Again, what exactly? If model not trained very well, then we need to retrain the model. What we need to do? Retrain the model. Here scenarios will be, I will explain slowly by slowly. Sometimes model really lent very well actually. Sometimes model lent average. It is okay, accepted. Still you can retrain with the more data. And here the model is really worst actually. Then what data scientist thinking, model is not giving a good score actually. Let me retrain the model. Let me retrain what exactly? Conclusion of the story. Why testing is required, to check the that point you need to understand, man. Once after model got trained, then the model has to be tested in all dimensions actually to check the accuracy. If accuracy is really good, then model works what exactly? Best example in this scenario, sir, you know what? Let me tell you. 29 by 30, I got a score. Then, even though that is a small task, my father will call to his brother actually, and he will tell, today my son, he is able to tell what is the cat and what is the dog actually. That is not what rocket science actually, but still that happiness is a quite different actually. Am I right or not, sir? Yeah. Now conclusion of the story. If training really went very well, then deploy the model. What is that one, sir? Deploy the model. I will tell you what do you mean by deploy the model actually. I need a quiet response from online team. I'm sorry. Are you with me, sir? Can I get a response online team? Did you understand? All right. Thank you. Let me continue. Good. Now model deployment. Finally, we need to deploy the knowledge acquired by the model actually. Ultimately, once the model gained all patterns, that model is called as a knowledge acquired model also you can say. These models also called as a model fit. These models also called as what exactly? Model fit. You can also call as model fit. This you can understand later, sir. This one also you can understand later. Don't worry. Yeah, I hope. Let me stop the session. Why? Because these are all next level discussion actually. Tomorrow I need to continue from here. Don't miss tomorrow session. I will continue from here actually. All right. We done for today's session. Don't miss tomorrow. We are. Am I going speed actually? No, right? We are very near. Tomorrow data and ML algorithms, learning function types of model actually. Tomorrow two topics we are going to target. Maybe two topics. Maybe the practicals. Today is Tuesday. Don't miss Thursday session. Thursday session, don't miss actually, right? And today the fun example what I have explained, tomorrow also I will give a small recap. Why? Because bit important actually. All right, we done for today's session. Let me upload the running notes and material. Somebody called me for resume help. Srinath sir, you called, right? I will help you. Not only you, one more person called actually. This night I can help you. After 9:30 I can connect.